This is Courtney, and I am coming at you live, ready for a weekend vlog. Ignore my fun bun, it's alive. It looks like a mushroom on top of my head, but it's okay. I'm leaving. We're going camping. I have to go pick up Zach. We're going. I'm so excited. I'm wearing Toasted Marshmallow by NYX, and it's one of their butter glosses. Why haven't you guys told me to buy these before? Like, they're so awesome. Like, guys, I thought you were my friends. Anyway, super digging it, wearing it, excited. Tomorrow's video is already scheduled and will be up, so you don't have to worry. It's coming on my main channel. And, yeah, I'm super excited, and we're leaving. And, woo! Look, I got Zach. Look, I got Zach.
It's different for girls.
It's different for girls. We got McDonald's, and this person,
failed.
She didn't, Zach goes, I want a 20 nugget meal.
Trying to skimp me on my nuggets.
Which means 20 nuggets and fries and a pop. And
don't
so,
ever mess with a hungry guy
with his nuggets.
with his nuggets.
You don't mess with a guy's nuggets.
Don't mess with my nuggets.
So, like, she only gave him 10, so he's like, oh, I ordered 20. And then she's like, oh, well, can I see your receipt? So we, like, give it back to her. And then she's like, oh, okay. And, like, gives him another 20. And then we pull forward, and I'm like, she didn't give us fries. And Zach's just, like, as we're pulling into traffic, and Zach's like, but, like, we didn't turn around because we got places to go and whatever. But I was just like, you've got it, seriously? Like, you can't do it. Can you not do anything? Like, there's, like, 4 people in the drive-thru, and she freaked out. I don't know. Like, she was upset.
Getting passed by a semi because the semi's going just...
Semis on semis on semis. Oh, you can see it in the vlog.
I don't even know what to do because there's a semi behind him.
I don't know.
These semis are... But
Look at that piano. Zach's animated. It's stained glass. Isn't it cool? Guys, it's cool. It's a big panda and a little panda. Panda. Panda.
That's it?
Yep. What?
It's personal chair. I need a chair so bad. We need chairs. We're gonna go next.
At first I told you I didn't want you to. What do you have?
Chill ball baggins. I can chill with my chill ball. It's got pockets.
This is not a sponsored video, just so everybody knows. This is our setup with Zach on the chobo and our tent. And then we actually have lights around our tent, so I'll show you later if I remember.
They're super sweet. Ah. For 2 people, it's okay. Oh. Oh. That's not safe. Oh no. Oh no.
This is not meant for 2 people.
Oh, you're losing it. Oh no. We're losing her. We're losing her. Ow.
Oh no, he's injured. I just threw my phone.
Look at that.
Oh.
Oh, this does not look good. Oh no.
Oh wow. Okay, bye. Arch, let me see your hoodie. Arch. Oh. Oh, there you go. That's a better view. Thanks, Archie.
She's like, you want to see it?
She's like, you want to see it? I will show you. Model that sweater. So, Archie barking at a stranger.
Hey, Rosie. Hello.
Yeah. You filming it?
You can't even carry it.
Yeah, but it's not.
Once you put it down, you put it
Yeah.
down. That's where you go.
It's scared.
We have 2 holes on it. Hey, we gotta put king and queen on ours. Yeah, pick him up. Throw him. Throw him.
Good job.
Oh no. Now you got dirty butt.
Don't tell Daddy it was us. Ellie!
Go get her.
Ellie, come here! Come here!
You're going too close. Oh no, you're gonna have wet.
Bala.
Stop. What?
I gotta steal that phone.
See, I got watching
Do this. Get him up. Being attacked by something.
Maybe you're in an artistic shop.
Get me, get me. Hey, hey, don't go in there.
Booger, buddy.
No, don't actually do it.